Just got new iPhone 14 Pros. Want to put screen protectors on them. Got the screen protector kit. Open this up. Comes with a frame to be able to easily be able to put the screen protector on there. Comes with a little protector for the lenses as well. The phone comes with 3 lenses. And then comes with all the different parts that we need to make this happen. So we're going to go through, apply this alcohol wipe to it to be able to get the dust and the main spots off of this. Go through and you just wipe it on there, wipe it on there, wipe it on there to get everything off. It's an alcohol wipe, so it'll dry pretty quick once you're done there. And once you're done scrubbing it, you go ahead and discard that. Then it comes with a little wipe as well. You'll go through and you'll just wipe it to make sure that everything is off. You want to make sure the screen is very clean of any debris, because if it's not, when you put that screen protector on there, that debris is going to be shown under the screen protector. So we'll go through and we'll do that. The next thing is it recommends using this little dust absorber. It's a little sticky, just because you can't see everything. And actually, if you see, there's a little spot of dust that just happened to go on there. So you just go through, pull all the little dust particles off that might have gone on there. Real easy to make that happen. And then once you do that, you'll put the guide on it. Now you just have to be careful. You just clean the screen. So when you put the guide on here, you don't want to stick your fingers on it. So make sure that you're just touching the edges here of the guide and push it on there nice and firmly so that it's all ready to go. There we go. And if you do put a little mark on there, you could always go back and rub it off. I think I touched this corner here, so I just want to go and make sure that I have it all clean. Go back over it with the dust absorber. Always good to just do one last check to make sure it's all good. All right, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab here, pull out the cover, and then we're gonna put this on. So we're gonna grab this. Now it has a film on here that you pull off to be able to get it to go. So we'll go ahead and we'll pull this film off. And make sure you're not touching that surface, and then go through, lay it on here. Ooh, I see a little spot potentially on here, so I want to pull that off. I don't know if that's on the top here, on the bottom. Okay, it's on that top side, so that's good. But now I see some dust here on the phone again. Just want to make sure it's all nice and clear. Okay.
Center of your phone. There's a good dust spot.
All right, there's one final dust spot right there.
All right, there, we got it. Yeah. All right, apply.
Okay. Now we'll go through and we'll apply this to it. And put it on the corner there. And then just drop it in place. And then just push in the center. You can see how it already is going. Just laying itself down on there. So that's really nice. So you just go through and you can push down on the middle if you need to. And then you just work out those little edges there. And it's that easy. So once we work out this, then it'll be applied, and it already looks great. So we know that the screen will be well protected. So go through and just push these off to the edges. Just push it off to the edge. There we go. Push off to the edge. You know, I'm touching this screen here, and that's not a big deal because the screen protector is already on there. So now that that's on there, we'll be able to go through, and then you can use the wipe again if you want just to be able to clean the screen protector, but that's not as big deal. The screen protector is going to get dirty. You have it on there because you want it to protect the screen, and then you can also just use a wipe. But look at that. Turned out great. We don't have any little bubbles and everything else on that. All right. Look at that. Looks good. All set.